What if you could save money without even thinking about it? Imagine not having to manually transfer funds, track your progress, or constantly worry about whether you're on track to hit your goals. Sounds pretty good, right? That's the promise of automation, and it's a powerful tool to have in your financial arsenal. But let's be real, life gets busy. And when it does, the best laid plans for saving can quickly fall by the wayside. That's where Rocket Money's automatic savings feature, now known as Financial Goals, comes in. It's designed to take the friction out of saving so you can build your savings effortlessly. So, how does it work? It's simple. You set a goal, maybe it's a down payment for a car, a dream vacation, or just building up your emergency fund. Rocket Money then analyzes your spending habits and income to figure out the perfect amount to save and the perfect time to save it. It's smart enough to know when you have extra cash and when to hold back to avoid overdrafts. It's like having a personal finance assistant in your pocket, one that's always looking out for your best interest. You can set your own savings pace, too. Rocket Money gives you options like comfy, moderate, or aggressive depending on how quickly you want to reach your goal. Or, if you prefer to have a little more control, you can set a custom amount to be transferred each month. The money is then automatically moved from your linked checking account into a separate, FDIC-insured account. This means your savings are safe and sound, and out of sight, out of mind, so you're not tempted to spend it. With Rocket Money's Financial Goals, you're not just saving, you're putting your financial future on autopilot. You can watch your progress in real time, get notifications about your savings, and feel that satisfying sense of accomplishment as you get closer to your target. It's a game changer for anyone who has struggled with consistent saving in the past. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.